Hello and welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Lucas. Hello. We've had a few requests to do helmet setups. So our helmets are pretty much identical, just a few little slight differences. But I will run through our setups anyway. So first of all, the helmet. This is the helmet. We got them from our local airsoft shop called KBC. So I think they were like £45 at the time, possibly just a bit lower. I really can't remember. They vary in price, but you don't need nothing major. Something you're comfortable with and what fits your budget. So that's what we went with because these are nice enough. Second thing, we all have the ear protection / headphones. These are the cheaper ones we could find. They work perfectly fine. They also come with these brackets, so they fit to the helmet, basically. And they clip in, clip out, and you slide it to the back. Microphone is adjustable, flexible. It's not the best, but it works. I have a flashlight on my helmet. It's for a pistol, but I prefer it on the helmet personally. So if you're going into dark areas, you just flick the switch, it's on, or you flick it a second time and it strobes. So that's what I did. Some of us are running the X-Fog system in the back pouch. Originally, I was using the back pouch for a battery bank for the GoPro, but I decided I wanted the X-Fog system. It was just nicer, basically. Simple. You just peel the pouch, and there's the X-Fog system. Easy access. Slide it off. There it is. Not very often we have to take it out. Manage to charge sometimes. And the pouch came on this strap here. So it's all one thing, this strap. So this just velcros on. That strap pouch was from eBay. I think that was like £12. So that was that. For the pipe work for the X-Fog, you can see I've cut the sides of my pouch. One access to the power button, which is just there, so I can use that with gloves. And the pipe work comes out, it threads onto this helmet cover, these little latches. I just made a slight hole, you can probably see this around about there, and that goes straight into the bottom of the helmet. And there's the pipe work. It looks a mess, but it works. So just make sure it's between the paddings. Then once you put it on, this is just below your eyebrows, and you can easily slide it into your glasses or goggles, and that's it. No more foggy glasses. As for that, that's pretty much it. And the only other thing we use is CNC aluminium GoPro holders, which we got from eBay and Amazon. They're around £20. They're not the cheapest, but they're solid. A few times we've dropped helmets or walked into things and we've knocked the GoPros out of place and damaged one, but the mount was solid. But that is that. If you want to see more of if you want to see more of our setups, for instance, our plate carriers or our game kit, as we like to say. These are little pouches that we use when we go to skirmishes. So on the safe zones or your respawn points, we've got speed loaders, gas, BBs, just in case we need other little bits and bobs, a bit of water. Our plate carrier setups or a full loadout, that's not a problem. Just comment below and let us know. But yes, so from us, the Tactical Dads, thank you very much again for watching, and we hope to see you on the field. Forgot to say, this is Dave, our little mascot. Can't forget Dave, good old Dave. Nice to meet you, Dave.